this property that you can see behind me here is one for which we have done a complete modernisation and renovation. Our clients are a young couple from New York. Now, the husband is an American and the wife, she's actually from here. I'm in La Scala on the Costa Brava. And we've done a complete modernisation and renovation of the property. We've reconfigured the inside. I'm going to give you a walking tour in just a minute. And they bought this property actually from her grandparents. So it's a family home as well. And I believe it's going to be used as a holiday home initially and potentially even for them to move here. They've got a young family and possibly even raise their children here. Not quite sure about that. But it's a house that is now suitable for either of those two things. So this is how you enter the property from the street behind. You see we've got this nice shaded terrace here for dining out al fresco. And you can enter the living kitchen dining area here. And this whole area here has been completely opened up and reconfigured. So it works now all as one complete space. We've got a new kitchen here, and we've got new windows and that's a new front door, new doors. The blinds here are all motorized, and they come with insect screening too. And if I move around, I'll just show you one of the new bathrooms here. This is completely new bathroom, and if I spin round, there are a couple of bedrooms on the ground floor, 1, 2. And if I just walk back, you can see the staircase. And here on the first floor, you can see straight in front of me a new bathroom. And if I turn around to the left now, we've reconfigured the whole of the upstairs area to create a nice circulation space here. And then we've got the master bedroom at the end here, new windows, access out onto this nice terrace on the first floor, the ensuite bathroom, all brand new, very nicely finished. And then there's a children's bedroom here on the left-hand side.